I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the repeating page numbers live and why they repeat. Open the document, enable Show/Hide to see breaks, and double-click a header to edit. Once the header opens, look at the status bar for Same as Previous or the section label. This tells you whether headers are linked across sections. Make sure section breaks actually separate the pages where numbering should change, because linked headers will replicate numbers unless you break that link deliberately. Next, you unlink and reset numbering so each section can control its own page numbers. Go to the header in the section that must differ and click Link to Previous to turn it off. Once unlinked, choose Page Number Format Page Numbers and pick Start at 1 or Continue from Previous, depending on intent. If you need Roman numerals for front matter, change number format. Once done, insert page numbers in that section, only so they don't propagate to linked headers elsewhere. To finish, refresh and verify. Select the whole document and press F9 to update fields so page numbers display correctly. Then visually scan each header/footer for leftover page number fields and delete duplicates. Reinsert where needed so only intended sections show numbers. If numbering still repeats, check that you used next page section breaks rather than continuous or even/odd. Those change header behavior. If problems persist, unlink headers again and reapply Start Add on the Problem section to force a reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.